All right, here we go. We're here at the local Walmart. We're gonna do a $20 tackle challenge to see what we can come up with. I do need a few little things. I need to get some additional plastics. I'm looking for some skirts for a replacement spinner and just see what else we can find. So let's see what happens. All right, folks, like I said, I'm here at Walmart trying to see what I can do for under 20 bucks. Do a little $20 tackle challenge, so let's see what we can find out. All right, again, I'm gonna try and keep it under 20 bucks, but these are really looking at me right here. I'm gonna try them suckers out. All right, looks like the Ozark Mountain white spinner rates coming up. All right, these on for 2 for $5. I think I'll go with this green frog and jig trailers. Right. Need a downsized finesse swim bait. I know Gracie will appreciate it. She likes these kind of things, so I'm gonna go with this as well. Oh man, I went 74 cents over. Shoot. All right, folks. Well, it looks like I went about 74 cents over. I am sure that is due to tax. We'll look at the receipt when we get back to the house and give you a little closer look of what I threw in the cart. It's always a little bit awkward filming in public. It's awkward enough when you're here in the car talking to yourself, but let alone in the middle of a store. We'll take a little bit closer look at what we got at the old sporting goods section. All right, let's just see what we brought home here today. Ooh, look at all the goodies. Look at all the goodies. First, let's see here really what this all. Okay, well, after tax, you know, $9.13 was my subtotal. After tax, you see it, $20.70 or $20.74. I went 74 cents over. But hey, I just did that just to keep myself from going hog wild in there. But let's see what we got. We got the Zoom, we got the power bait, the Poggy Swim Shad 3-inch 1/4 ounce. So this is really just a finesse bait. I've been getting these big 6-inchers like this. Look at these suckers, huge monsters, and just getting a little finesse bait. Maybe the kids can use, or I can on a slower day or a harder bite. But see, here we go. We got these. These were, how much were these suckers? $5.12, I believe what they are. They're Wild Eye Swim Shad Original Storm. 5-inch, 5/8 ounce. Those are big. They just shined on the shelf, and I think I'm pretty good on swim baits for a little while. But what else did we get? Ozark Trail. Hey, Ozark Trail, they make some pretty good tackle, and man, I cannot believe that this stinking spinner bait. I was $2.52. I believe that was it. Fishing lure, yeah. It's $2.52 on there. So, you know, I got some spinners that are in need of some TLC. And so I was looking for some skirts, but hey, for that price, you can just replace them easier than you can, getting the skirts on Amazon. So here we got 2 different kinds of frogs. We got the Yum. Don't really say too much about it, but man, they look good. You know, we got 2 for $5, and these are some jig trailers, I believe. So I'm gonna try and use them as if they're not. We got those for $5, and then this gurgle toad, 3 species. It's like a swim bait, legs. So. All right, well, there you have it. We're going to be going hard at them. We're just kind of waiting for season to get here. I'm super pumped. I'm going to be just biting at the bit for the next few weeks until we can get some warmer weather, get those water temperatures up some, but anyway, go ahead and get down into the comments. Give me an idea where you'd like me to throw these at. Or, you know, I'm definitely going to be using them all here this year. Like I said, I just need to get me a little bit of tackle here and there. So, but thanks again so much for tuning in with us, and we'll see you next time.